Spoken English conversation. Subscribe please.
V1 base form create. V2 past form created. V3 past participle created. V4 present par creating. V5 SESIES creates. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb create? Answer. The base form of the verb create is create. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb create? Answer. The past form of the verb create is created. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb create? Answer. The past participle of the verb create is created. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb create? Answer. The present participle of the verb create is creating. Question 5. What is the third person singular SESIs of the verb create? Answer. The third person singular SESIs of the verb create is creates.
Verb forms example sentences.
V1 She likes to create beautiful artwork. V2 Yesterday, she created a stunning painting. V3 The gallery displayed artwork created by local artists. V4 She is currently creating a new sculpture for the exhibition. V5 He often creates unique designs for his clients.
Subscribe my channel.